Hi everybody, I hope everybody's doing great. I am doing this video because I haven't been on camera in such a long time that I decided it's about time to show my face. The last time I was talking about telogen effluvium and my hair, it's growing, you can see. Right now I have all sorts of length hairs coming out. So it's kind of strange. I still have baby hairs coming out, but it's growing, so I'm happy about it, letting my grays out. So that's another thing I'm trying to do. This video I am making because there was a lady a while ago that was asking me to do a tutorial on a mayo cake, and I have never done a mayo cake in my life. So I was like, maybe it's time I should do a mayo cake. I like mayo. So I went for it and I looked for a recipe, and there's so many recipes out there. I really wasn't sure which one was the original one. So I kept searching, and some people say this one is the original one, and others say this is it. I didn't know. So I decided to go to Pinterest. Yeah, Pinterest. And I found this recipe that was posted on a newspaper. And I thought, well, maybe that's the original one, so let's try that one. It looked old. You can see here, it looks old, right? So I decided to try this recipe, and I will say to you that it was an epic fail. Epic. The cake was moist, yes. I think it lacked chocolate flavor in my opinion, and it took forever to bake. And mind you, I have cakes that I cook at 300 degrees and they take a long time to bake, but this one took a really long time at 350. Even if I put something in the center so it cooked faster, even if I put bands around the cake, nothing. It takes forever to bake. So I didn't know what I was doing wrong with it. I thought, well, maybe it's a me problem. Maybe I messed up. Because you know what? I believe that if you make a recipe and it's an epic fail, maybe you did something wrong, try again. It has happened to me before, especially because I like to test cakes all the time. So I decided to try it again. Both times I used really good quality chocolate because I'm used to using good quality chocolate. Second time, still didn't work. So I'm showing here the outcome of the cake and the recipe so you guys can see it. And I'm sharing the epic fail because I think it's fair for you guys to know that not everything is wonderful in baking land. Stuff happens. If you have a really good recipe that uses mayo and you want to share it with me, I can share it with people that want a recipe that uses mayo. So feel free to share it with me. Otherwise, this is not the cake you want to use, unless you want to try it and see if it works for you and prove that I did something wrong twice. So I don't know what to say to you. The cake didn't taste bad. It just felt like it was missing chocolate. It just didn't taste like chocolatey enough, you know? It just was missing chocolate flavor. So it wasn't definitely my favorite recipe in the world. And I haven't tested another recipe with mayo since then, which is my problem because now I'm scared. I'm a firm believer in butter and eggs, which is the reason why people use mayo instead of the butter and the eggs. I don't know. Anyways, I am also gonna invite you guys to check the members section of my website. I am adding advanced videos in there. I don't know if to post them here in YouTube because in here you would have to pay a monthly fee. So I don't know if you guys prefer that. It's a one-time fee in the website, and it helps me just keep making videos for you guys. I added this beautiful cake to the members section of the website. I thought about putting the videos here in YouTube, but they charge monthly. I don't know if you guys prefer that other than the members section of the website. So if you want to leave comments on that, that would be awesome too. The members section is $3.33, is $39 for a whole year. And once you get in there, I'll let you know when I post a video. You can see it at any time. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorials. Join me, be part of my family. I love you guys. I do. You guys are awesome. Did I tell you you guys are awesome? Yes, you guys are awesome. I have no words for how blessed I am to have you guys in my career, in my life. You always promoted me, and I'm just blessed with you guys. So even if you can only view and put a like and just leave a comment, I'm still pleased with that. So love you guys. I hope you enjoyed the epic fail. It happens to all of us. Yes, it does. And until next time, ta-ta!